What's up guys, Rosario here, and today I'm going to be putting some privacy film right on these doors behind me, and this is a YouTube setup video, so this could go into my YouTube course if I eventually make one and I eventually become successful, but maybe as a do not do, maybe as a do try. So I've got these glass doors behind me, and through them you'll see a bedroom, and I don't really want everyone to have to look at that bedroom every time they watch one of my videos. So I bought some cheap $50 privacy film off Amazon. I'm gonna try and install it. I bought an install kit. Let's see how it goes. So step one is basically just Windexing off the windows. This is similar to installing a screen protector on a smartphone. So I'm gonna clean off the windows, and then I'm gonna spray them down with kind of a soapy solution. Then I'm gonna roll out the film, then I'm gonna cut it to shape and try to smooth it out. Before I get started, this is the actual applicator kit. It's a window film application kit. Link in the description below. You will know soon enough if this actually works. But yeah, let's try it. I've got the film here. It's in the box. Let's unbox it. It's kind of heavier than I expected. So I've got two rolls here because there's actually two glass doors. So we'll start with one first. Comes in a tube. So the title of this stuff is called Rabbitgoo Privacy Window Film Frosted Window Sticker. I think that says sticker. I'm not totally sure. Let's take a look here. Remove the transparent backing film. Interesting. All right, we'll start by cleaning the window that's there right now. So a couple things that I didn't mention. I bought the widest film that I could find. It's 35.4 inches. I measured these doors to be 36 inches. So hopefully it's close enough that it's not very noticeable. Guess we'll find out. Also, I'm only cleaning the side that I'm gonna apply the film to because I can always clean the other side later. So should be nice and clean now. And next we'll spray on the solution. Which is basically like a soapy solution that later dries out. So let's give that a go. So I'm kind of struggling with this solution. It doesn't seem to want to spray. Okay, I'm not totally sure how to get this transparent backing film off here. There we go. I've heard this stuff isn't actually sticky, it just adheres with surface tension, I guess. Well, here goes nothing. Hey, Brooke, can you give me a hand in here?
I'm in my workout outfit.
Okay, I need you to peel off the backing. It's inside. Okay, so we've got the first sheet on, and we're gonna try something. Yeah, that's all right, because a little kind of glow coming out of there. It's hard to visualize right now. All right, let's keep working on this. All right, battery died there for a second. We're back. Got door number 1 done. I don't know if you can see it behind me. We'll slide it in here. Take a look. Looks all right to me. You can see we've got a bit of lighting coming up there at the bottom. We'll adjust the position of those. Looks pretty clean. All right, second window, here we come.
So I thought I needed, thought I needed, so I thought I needed.
All right, that looks pretty good actually. I'm quite impressed. So for $100, I did what would have cost several $100s if I had it done professionally. Maybe $1,000, I don't know. All right, that's all. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace.